Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over here is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand how and what information drive the financial market. Have you ever wondered why Forex market move much more faster than the stock market? It's because of the information that actually drive prices. Price doesn't have a brain of its own, right? So the information that comes out, then investors' sentimental analysis on that information is what push the price. And if you want to know about the types of analysis in terms of investors' sentimental analysis and so on, then you should go and watch my YouTube video in the card above, right? Because you first have to understand that before understanding this video. Anyhow, go jump straight into it. All right, so let's take stocks into consideration, right? Tesla, right? So this is Tesla Q3 earnings for 2020. I'm saying to you, is this information from the financial statement that actually drives price up and down, right? So if profit is going up, right, then therefore the investors' sentiment will say that, here what? There's more demand for Tesla, so let's push the price up, right? If profit is going down, right, then the investor sentiment from their fundamental analysis on the financial statements, right, will say that, here what? The company is not performing good, so here what? Let's push price down, right? So this is the income statement, right? Then you also have the cash flows. You also have the balance sheet. What are the assets looking like, right? So it's the information from the financial statements that actually drive the stock price. For stocks, price does not have a brain by itself. It doesn't, right? I hate to hear when people talk about, here what, the price is, what the price is going to do. The price is doing this and the price doesn't have a damn brain by itself, man. It's the information that comes out that drive prices, right? And from the fundamental analysis from investors is what actually drive the price action. So it's the sentiment from their fundamental analysis. So ensure that you watch that video and type of analysis before you continue to watch this video. So let me continue. What actually drives Forex? Watch me now. Investing.com. This is a nice site to go to, right? When you come to investing.com, right, you're going to see like the earnings calendar. This has to do with stocks, right? So in terms of financial statement and so on, but we're not going to focus on that. We'll just talk about how it looks on the financial statement. But the economical calendar is what you want to look at for Forex. So watch me now, right? So while the performance of a company is what drives a stock price, it's the performance of a country that actually drives the currency price. Does that make any sense? Let me go again. While the performance of a company drives a stock price up or down, it's the performance of a country that actually drives the currency price up or down. So why does Forex market moves much more faster than the stock market? And why does the Forex has much more volume in it than the stock market? It's simple. The financial statement for a company where you purchase stock in actually comes out every quarter. So therefore, the information that is driving price for a stock is done quarterly. However, the economical information comes out every day. So the fact that the economical information comes out daily, then therefore there's more information to drive the Forex market up and down. And that is why the Forex market moves much more faster than the stock market, is because the information that comes out for the Forex market on the performance of the country comes out daily, in contrast to the information for a company for stocks comes out quarterly. Does that make any sense? Right? Price doesn't have a brain of its own. Doesn't. So this is the fundamentals. This is the fundamentals, right? On how a country is performing. So let's take today, Wednesday, which I'm recording this video, right? Every Wednesday is like a hot day for the United States. A lot of information comes out. So when I'm talking about information for a country, we're talking about the gross domestic product, interest rates, jobless claims, right? Manufacturing index, price index, etc. Right? So I'm saying to you, watch me now. Watch me now. Let's take jobless claims. This comes out every Thursday for the United States, right? And this information is going to drive the United States currency up or down, which is going to affect all the major peers. So I click on jobless claims and then I go here and it showed me that here what? The actual is actually looking better than what is forecasting. Less people claim that they didn't have a job. Therefore, employment rate is going up, and that is good for the country. And if that is good for the country, that is going to drive up the price of the currency, which is going to drive up the peers for all the majors. Does that make any sense? I'm tired of hearing people talking about what price is going to do or what it's doing on the charts. Cut out the nonsense now, man. It's the information that actually drive price up and down. Price doesn't have a brain of its own. It doesn't. I'm killing that narrative right now. That's a false narrative. It's the information that drives price up and down. And based off investors' fundamental analysis, then their sentimental analysis now goes into drive the price up and down. And who are the big players in the market? The banks, of course. So all the big players that works for the bank, they're the one that actually drive price up and down. So we as retail traders, what we need to do, keep it simple and follow what the banks are doing. That is how trading works. From once you can understand and appreciate, that is the information that drives it. Click here on earnings calendar. What happened now? You will see all the financial statements that is coming out for a specific company, right? T-Mobile, etc., right? All the financial statement that is coming out on the specific day, and is this information that is going to drive the stock price up and down. Go back to the economic calendar. The economic calendar has to do with the country. The earnings calendar has to do with the company. So this is what an economical calendar look like. Retail sales, so on and so on, auto sales, jobless claims. And you can just come here, you can see what is coming tomorrow. Right? What information is coming on tomorrow? You can also check it for the entire week. From Sunday go all the way back to Friday. So you now know what type of information drives stocks. You now know what type of information drive currencies. So let's look at another instrument. What about commodities? So for commodities, let's look at one of the major things in commodities, right? Oil. Is the information from OPEC, right? This is what OPEC stands for, right? Is the information from OPEC, this OPEC.org, right? Look at all the oil report that comes out monthly. Therefore, the information comes out monthly. That means that price is going to have a high drive each month, not each day. It comes out monthly. So this is where OPEC is giving you the schedule of which dates the report is going to come out for the entire 2021. So watch me now. So this is the OPEC report, 14th of January 2021, right? Give you all the highlights. You're scrolling through it, right? Scrolling through it. Right? Let's go down. Scrolling through it. Tell you everything that's happening about oil, right? Everything that's happening about oil. Is this information on oil, this oil report, that actually drive the prices of crude oil. Come on, man. Wanna talk to me, man? Talk to me in the comment section right now. If you're getting value from this video, real good value, then smash that like button. This is serious value that I'm giving you right now. This is high intense value. Smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. It's the information that actually drives price. Price does not have a brain for itself. I'm killing that false narrative, right? The information that comes out on it. I really hope that you guys get this point. Once you have a clear understanding of how to appreciate that fundamental analysis drive price action, know when this information is actually coming out, then you're way ahead of the game. My favorite show of all time, which actually let me got into the financial market to have that high curiosity, was Wall Street. I'm not talking the recent one, I'm talking the one way back in the days with Michael Douglas and Charlie Sheen. I'll never forget this line by Michael Douglas. He said that it's not my fault that I know how to make money better than you, because the information is out there for everyone. It's not my fault. I know how to use the information. And this is what I teach within my community. So just click the Discord link below to become a visitor in my community so you can see how we're performing, right? This is what I teach, how to read the information and how to use it to your advantage. Jaja, hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a better understanding of how and what information drive price action, and to realize that price doesn't have a brain of its own. It's the information that actually drive it, and it's actually sentiment from the investors' fundamental analysis that actually drive the prices up or down in the financial market. So comment below if you have any questions, or you can send me a direct message on social media. If you're not on social media, that's okay. Just send me an email in the description below, and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go and pick up yourself and enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out.